Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make a watermark. Pretty simple. Go to the file, new. Width should be 500 to 100. You can change it later. Background should be transparent because you want it to overlay whatever you're gonna photo, video, whatever you're gonna use it for. Click on your text. We're already logged in with the text, and all right, let's type. Whoa. There we go. Alright, now let's center the text. Just drag and drop. Pretty simple. Now, obviously you want to question yourself, do you want this bold? Do we want it bold? Do you have the option to make it bold? If you don't like it bold, you can curve it, you can bring up this option, choose styles, put a little bit of arc in it if you wanted to. We're not going to do that. You can have upper arc. What's the upper arc look like? Oh, I hit cancel. Looks like we're not going to see it. Anyways, we have our basic wording here. We're going to click on the glass 3D media, right click, blending options, and pull this over here so you can see what we're doing. That's somewhat visible, and we would like to bring it out a little bit, so let's add an inner shadow. See how it kind of makes it 3D. Oh, inner glow, and not so much inner glow, and outer glow, yeah, and a little bit of a drop shadow, kind of pushes it out there. Alright, hit OK. Liking it so far. Now we'll go over here to click opacity. This will kind of make everything disappear a little bit. There we go. See, it's starting to come in. You just want it barely there so it will still be over your video, but you or photo, and you'll be able to see what to do. Alright. Now, since we think that's pretty good, why don't we save? We're going to save this as, obviously, whatever, glass tree. Media, watermark. Now let's really save it so we can import it to places. Save as. Alright, click here. I like to use pings. Pings seem to overlay really easy with other images, you know, especially in After Effects and Sony Vegas and other programs. Ping works, and plus it's a real small file, so let's just save it as ping. Perfect. Alright. Got both monitors running now. You can see this is my YouTube account, and you can see this is the watermark we made. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here, we're going to click on Measure It, which is a handy plugin for Google Chrome, and we're going to measure where we would like this to be and the size of it. So let's put it right here. We want everybody to see our watermark. You know, some people might want it running across here, which would be good for photos and stuff like that, especially if you're going to post them onto the internet. They might become public or something like that, and you don't want no one reusing your photo. So, but for this case, we're going to use it for our YouTube account, which is Glass 3D Media, and we're going to go 185 by 36. So we're going to come back over here to Photoshop, and we're going to image size. We're going to resize it. So let's resize it. So height 185, and width is going to be 36. Looks small, don't it? But you always can hit Control plus, and it will open it up. And if you want to see how it's actually going to look, you go to View and show actual pixels, which will look like that. Alright. Now, again, save as. And we're going to save it as our ping image because we want our original Photoshop document to remain the same, easier to work off because it's bigger. 0.0, and we're going to save. Alright, and now we'll move on to the next process. Okay, well, I inserted my watermark. You should see it somewhere over here. Due to the program that I'm using to record this, I can't see you as I'm doing it. Well, you should have the watermark over here if you insert it into your program correctly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.